you're needing to use this, it's like basically sucking on candy. You'll feel a little better, but it's not really making the problem better. Most people that see me in clinic are having a sore throat because they are getting what they call postnasal drip, which means that their nose is so swollen that all that mucus that wants to come out can't, so it's going on the back of their throat. Ha, ha, ha. They're feeling that drip on the back of their throat. So when they take this, yes, it makes the throat feel better, but it's not making the problem better. The problem is in the nose. Once we open up that cute little nose, all that stuff will come out this way instead of going backwards.